Hi, this is Miss K. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on professional mode on Facebook using your Android device. To get started, open the Facebook app and sign in to your account if you haven't already. Tap your profile picture to open your Facebook profile. Next, tap the three-dot menu below your profile name or next to the Edit Profile button. If your account is eligible, you'll see the Turn on Professional Mode option. Tap it, then read the information about the feature and tap Turn on to confirm. Facebook will enable professional mode on your profile and give you access to creator tools, professional insights, and monetization features if you're eligible. Once professional mode is enabled, you can manage your audience, view post performance, access professional tools, and grow your presence directly from your Facebook profile. And that's it, you've successfully turned on professional mode on Facebook. Happy watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.